Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy. Alright, till now we have seen how to work with WordPress on our local computer. But now in this video we're going to see how to install WordPress on cPanel. Now, for those who don't know what exactly cPanel is, I would like to give a small introduction, and if you know already what exactly cPanel is, you can skip this introduction part. So, till now, if you have followed my videos, then you would know that we have worked on our local computer. We didn't work on a live website, right? So right now I own a domain name called as GWizcourses.com. If you search for this GWizcourses.com, you will see this 404 error because I have connected this domain to my hosting, but we don't have any website live yet on my hosting. See, to make any website live, what we need is we need a domain name and we need a web hosting. I have the domain, I have web hosting as well. The domain name is GWizcourses.com and web hosting I have with GWiz web hosting, right? So this is a subsidiary of GWiz Academy, so we have web hosting as well. So yeah, we have right now this GWiz courses are hosted on GWiz web hosting servers. Okay, so you need this, you need to have a domain name and a web hosting, and the domain name should be connected to the web hosting as well. If you don't know how to purchase domain, if you don't know how to purchase web hosting, or if you don't know how to connect web hosting and domain, then I will give a link to in the description. You can go ahead and watch those videos. But this video is applicable only if you have an active domain and active web hosting, and you just need to know how to install WordPress on your cPanel, right? So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing is, if you have purchased a web hosting plan, then the web hosting company would have given you the login URLs to how to log into your server, right? Live server. So right now I have already logged into my live server, and now what I'll do is I'll go to my cPanel, and here cPanel login details, all those login credentials you will get it from your server company itself, web hosting company itself. So I'll go to cPanel. First thing is you need to log into your cPanel. This is a new cPanel. This, if you have any older version of cPanel, then the user interface will be slightly different. Recently cPanel has been updated. cPanel is nothing but web hosting control panel, right? You can manage your website tasks and web hosting account using interface called as cPanel, and 99.9% of the cases whenever you purchase any web hosting, they will be offering you cPanel account as well, so that you can easily administer your website. You can manage your website tasks like email accounts or file manager or database or domains or metrics or security reason softwares. Those things can be easily managed using your cPanel account, right? You can even make your site live or edit your database and all those things. So first thing, how to install WordPress on your cPanel. So let's get started. The first thing is you need to log into your cPanel and then scroll down or search for WordPress here on the search bar tool, WordPress. The first thing is here, the WordPress manager by Softaculous. We need Softaculous app installer. If you're not searching from here, what you need to do is just scroll down, and here Softaculous app installer. Inside this, you need to click on this WordPress icon, or if you search directly here, you need to click on this second button, right? So let me do it in a traditional way. I'll click on this WordPress icon. Now a Softaculous app installer will get opened, and now what I'll do, I need to go ahead and install my WordPress directly. It is very straightforward, nothing complex over here. So this is the Softaculous app installer interface, and now as you can see, this is WordPress and these are the versions available. This is the description and all. So right now what I need to do, I need to click on install now, and then I need to choose whether I need HTTP or HTTPS. I'll select HTTPS. You need to select the domain that in which you want to install your WordPress. I'll select GWizcourses.com. This is the domain name in which I need to install WordPress. And in case if you want to have any subdirectories like test1 or test2 or any my site, any subdirectory inside which you want to install WordPress, you can go ahead and install WordPress in a subdirectory as well. But right now I want to install WordPress in my main root domain, that is gwizcourses.com. And here you can select the versions that you have, options that are available. And right now I'll select, by default it is selected the latest version, so I'll keep it as it is. And here site name and description, if you want you can edit here, or else what we can do is we can go ahead and edit it later as well, so we don't have to worry about it as of now. What you need to see is you need to check, make sure that you have the right admin and right admin password. You just need to copy this. Let me hide it and change my admin password to right. So I have set my admin password, and now what I need to do, you just can simply ignore all these options and simply click on install. It will take some time, but it will get installed. So let's wait for some time. All right, perfect. So based upon your internet connectivity speed and your server speed, the installation will get initiated and it will get completed. Now this is our URL. Before starting this video, if you see, I showed you that when we visit gwizcourses.com, it used to have 404 error. So now that we have installed WordPress, so if you see now, open it in a new tab, we can see that WordPress has been installed successfully, right? So yeah, there is some dummy data over here because by default WordPress installs some theme and sample blog article. So this is a default dummy content that we need to change. So the concept is we have successfully installed WordPress on our on our server via cPanel. This is what I wanted to show you through this video, and this is it in this video. And in our next video is going to be interesting. So what we will see in our next video is we have developed a website, or we have created our website on our local computer, right, till now using local WP. So what I'll do is I'll take a backup of that local website, and then I'll restore that website to this particular server here. Right now I'll make that particular, basically what I'll do is I'll make the local WordPress website and make it live. I'll install that particular website inside this particular server, inside this particular instance. And how to do that, I'll show you in the next video. Right now, what we have seen, how to install WordPress on cPanel. That is what we have seen in this video, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video where we will be seeing how to take backup and how to restore your website, right? Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. See you.